I'm missing some of my locks. Suki, you got my locks? Oh, what are you doing, Suki? You took my locks. Are you picking my locks, Suki? Oh yeah, Suki, you picking some locks? I'm gonna need these back though. Alright, so I got a couple of these old cabinet wafer locks. I don't know if you can read that, but it's Taylor. It's got that code at the bottom. Funny thing, my last name is Taylor. So I definitely wanted these guys. They're actually a 5-pin or 5-wafer lock. Shoot, I'll grab the key in a minute. I had one of these had the key actually broken off in it, but I'm gonna just, they're nothing special, but I'm running out of locks to pick, so I'm gonna do a video on these guys. And I just made a new little tensioner out of my got a couple new wiper things. One click. Trying to use top of the keyway if I can. And I got it. 2 clicks. So I'm going to show you, since these are out, this top guy, that's actually what does the locking on the cabinet. And to actually remove it, you got the key, turns, does that, and it unlocks the cabinet, I guess. But yeah, there you go. I don't know of any way to gut these guys, because there's not much to gut. Looks pretty intact, but there you go. This one's missing that. Hold on, let me pick this one. So this one is actually missing the locking, the piece that actually causes it to lock. So don't believe there's spring, there might be spring tension. Okay, so got it picked, and let's see if I can get this on video. Hold on. Sorry for that, but we got, fuck, you're not gonna be able to see it. This lighting's terrible. I don't know if you can see that inside portion. It moves when you spin it. But I'll give you a little that piece on the inside rotates and would move this piece up and down. There's quite a heavy spring on it, so. But yeah, it would push a little slide bar that locks all the cabinets. And there you go. Some Taylor cabinet locks.